Hello students, good morning. I am Richa and today's our topic of discussion is changes around us. So, let us start with this chapter.
So, changes around us. Introduction. Now we can see so many changes around us that are happening. Many changes are taking place on their own, right? Guys, now in our daily life, we can see a lot of changes which are happening in our daily life around us. Okay, now for example, falling of leaves, nail grow, hair grow, crops in the fields, etc. Some changes which we can see in our daily life. Now, some changes are physical in nature and some changes are chemical in nature. Okay, these are some examples of the physical changes: crushing a can, melting an ice cube, okay, and big and boiling water, okay, sublimation of dry ice, chopping wood, and dissolving sugar in water. These are some physical changes, and now there are some chemical changes. Now, what are chemical changes? Students, in chemical changes, we get new product. For example, settling of curd from milk. Okay, previously it was milk, and then after some time we get curd. Okay, and so this is a chemical change from milk to curd because we are getting a new substance. Now, next, can all changes always be reversed? Now we know that so many changes are happening around us. Okay, अब इनमें से कुछ चेंज जो हैं वो रिवर्सिबल होते हैं. ओके, and reversible means we can obtain that changes again and again. Okay, we can do that changes again and again. and कुछ irreversible होते हैं. Okay, and mostly chemical changes जो होते हैं वो irreversible in nature होते हैं. For example, settling of curd from milk. Okay, now we can't change curd to milk, right? So many physical changes are reversible in nature. For example, this activity 1, take a balloon and blow it. Now guys, make sure that it does not burst. Now when we are blowing a balloon, the shape and size of the balloon have changed, which we can see in this image, right? So do this activity at your home. Now this is the second activity which we can see in our daily life in our kitchens. Take some dough and try to roll out a roti. Okay, when we are making roti, if you are not happy with its shape, we can change it back to dough again, and again we can try to make a roti. Okay, right? This is the reversible change. So many physical changes are reversible in nature, जो हम बार बार obtain कर सकते हैं, right? Next, could there be other ways to bring a change? Now, tools are often heated before wooden handles fixing to it. Now, to fix a handle, the ring is heated. Now, जो tools होते हैं उसमें wooden handles होते हैं, right? अब tools को wooden handles में fit करने के लिए पहले उनको heat किया जाता है. जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को heat करते हैं, it naturally expands, right? So by doing this, we are bringing a change. This is the example. We can bring a change by this way also. Next, take a small candle and measure its length. Let it burn for some time, and now blow out the candle and measure its length again. We can easily see in this image, we are having a candle, right? and let it burn for some times, and after it burns out, blow out the candle and measure its length again. Now we can see, previously suppose its length is 10 centimeter. After some time we got only 4 centimeter. So this is a physical change, the change of size, right? I hope guys you will understand about some changes around us which we can see in our daily life and in our daily life activities. Thank you.
Students, I hope you will understand this topic well. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching it.